Okay, so in this video we'll learn about another good function, which is join. So let us see some example of join function, but prior to that, first understand what is a join function. So it's again a method in or a function which is applied onto the string. It's a string method that used to concatenate a list of strings. Okay, and it will concatenate on a some specified delimiter. Okay, so again it will always apply on strings only. It will concatenate only strings. If you do any integer, it will give you an error. And let's see an example. So the next we have to see a join function. So we know about a join function. Okay, so let's say I have a list of string. Let's say a list of strings. Okay, let's say I have words. I love Python programming. Okay, let's say I have this list of words, right? And then let's define delimiter. So delimiter would be, let's say I want to have a space between them, so that will become a delimiter for me. And then I will be joining the list of strings with the delimiter. Okay, so sentence equals to delimiter dot join, and we'll use words, and let's print out the sentence. I love Python programming language. Okay, good, right? Let's see one more example. Let's say I have fruits equals to, do we have fruits already? Yep, I do have the fruits. Okay, so then I'll define the delimiter. This time would be, let's say I want to on a comma, and then maybe we can use this. Okay, so again fruits list or fruits names equals to delimiter dot join fruits, and then I will do a fruits name. Here we go. So it has combined that within that. Now another quick thing which I want to do, I have shown you like that, but sometimes I might be doing this way, so don't get confused when I will directly do this, right? So this also fine, this works fine, because this is basically gives you at what you want to. So this is a delimiter. Here I want to do, let's say, hash or the dollar. I can do on a dollar. I can change it, right? I can change it as per I need, and then I can do one thing. So like that, for example, let's say I can define this sentence, and I can split on this. So see, I started with a list, I ended up with a list. So now this is something which I want to bring to your notice, that if I know how to convert a string into a list and a list into a string, we can solve 80% of the problems. Okay, so we'll see certain example in the next upcoming videos, but that's the important thing I want to bring. So we can use split and join in tandem to basically solve certain problems. So that's all for this video. See you in another video.